You're facing Allah Azza wa Jal. So you stand in submissiveness and humility, expressing your poverty, and you say, Allahu Akbar. Where do I raise my hands? 2 hadiths. One next to the shoulders, one next to the ears. So how do I understand this? It's very easy. The palm is next to your shoulders. The fingers are next to the level of your ears. And this is how you combine between the 2 authentic hadiths. So it is not like Allahu Akbar as people say, or Allahu Akbar as people do. This is all wrong. It is not Allahu Akbar. No, it is this way. So the palms next to the shoulders, the fingers are next to the level of the ears, facing the Qibla. You say Allahu Akbar, looking at the place of your prostration. Where do I put my forehead? I look at it whenever I am in the standing position. So it's always like this.